Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the door weather strip. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. And while you're watching this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, the first thing we need to do is remove this plastic trim piece on the bottom. You can remove it with a flathead screwdriver. You can just pry on one side and then it just comes up pretty easily. After the trim piece is removed, you can just grab the strip and pull it out. Nothing else is going to catch you and it comes out pretty easily. Installing the new strip takes a little bit more time. You have to line up everything perfectly, starting with this top corner here. You have to feed it in just right underneath the headliner.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
So you pretty much want to get that corner started, work your way down, and then also start on the top. That way you got a good foundation for it to hold on to. This does take a little bit more time. You have to feed it in perfectly with the little grooves there. Coming up here, you can see the groove that I'm talking about. You have to feed it in over the one and make sure you're over the other one. And then just pretty much push everything down and make sure all your corners are nice and tight. If everything feels nice and snug, there's no slag anywhere, then you're good to go ahead and put the bottom trim piece back in. You just need to line up the little snap tabs on the bottom, starting on the one side, and then you just pretty much push it down and you're good to go on it. Congratulations, you now know how to replace your door weather strip.
Wow, you're still watching? I must have done something right on this video. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. Well, that wraps it all up on this one. Bobby B out till next time.